So we are at Operation Emerald, as you guys can see. So this house, we bought it in the neighborhood that my brothers and I grew up in. Ethan, one of our good friends, brought us this deal and we're partnering on this deal. This is the outside, looks good. So this is the kitchen.
Great house. It's great. I love that.
Welcome to demo part. I guess this is part 1. We're just cleaning this up. Look out this whole cabinet. We don't have to be doing this. Like, we have contractors and they're outside and they're probably more qualified to do this, but we just thought it'd be fun. I would say, this is what contractors do on a day-to-day when they come. Now, Rick, where's the other side? We told them we were gonna be back to return these. I don't think it's possible anymore. It's fine. Oh, what's up, bro?
Demolition crew right here.
Carlos is here. What's up, bro?
That's good, bro.
How you doing?
How you doing? Where's the sledgehammer? Where did the rope?
Look at this mess that we just made. Again, don't try this at home, y'all. We do have a contractor on the house. He's in the back doing something else, and we just decided it'd be fun. So.
Do it closer.
We too young. Masterpiece? Y'all like it?
Looks kind of scary, bro.
What do y'all think? Do you think he's doing a good job? I need him at my other flip. Carlos and Ethan we're all just talking about like deals we got going on. They're talking about deals they're doing, flips in Raleigh and stuff that we're gonna go check out and stuff. I think that's just so cool. When your squad is doing real estate. This is the living room and dining room. There's a bathroom over there. This is the other bathroom. Say hi, you guys.
What's up?
Sell this couch.
Dude, this is actually a nice house. Well, it's gonna be raining.
We're gonna close this in. This is gonna be like the dining room. This is like the living room. There's a second bathroom here.
It's a nice sofa.
Yeah, we're actually gonna try to sell that. We've already sold the 2 laundry machines downstairs.
Yeah, washer and dryer.
Washer.
300.
For
Everything or just that?
For both.
upstairs. Bedroom 1. Bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom. So this house is good condition, but it's gonna look a lot better when we're complete with it. 3rd bedroom. Well, actually, there's 3 bedrooms up here and then 1 downstairs. So Let's go check out the backyard, see what we find. So it has this cool little deck in the back. So we're just gonna have to cut back a lot of this overgrowth here. Let's check out this shed. It is massive. We're gonna knock all this down, paint this shed, replace the roof, and then it's gonna be like a new shed. We're gonna take everything out. A lot of stuff. That's the before, and we'll show you guys progress throughout. Oh yeah.
We should get another trash bag in there.
What is this? It's just a room? Kenny, what would this be?
It could be a bedroom.
It is a bedroom. It is a bedroom.
Yeah.
We're gonna close it in to be a bedroom.
Are you gonna make it work?
Yeah, we're gonna make it.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. We ended up going to Chipotle with Carlos and Ethan. And then Ethan and I went to go check out a duplex that we actually have under contract here in Durham. Got an estimate from our contractor that was doing the work here as well. Our workers just left and we're gonna just check out to see how much more they got done. They finished the whole kitchen pretty much. All of it's gone. I think they were trying to take this off, but so this is tile. They did get a decent amount done. We'll keep you guys updated on how this continues to go. We just closed on this one. I think this is gonna take us 45-ish days, hopefully. We really appreciate all your support. So if you would hit that like and subscribe button. As always, Nike hat on my head. Y'all know the rest. Just go out there and do it. Peace.